Okay, so I just found out after I checked the video quality and content that the quality of the videos is actually getting better after upload. So when I watched the video from the 19th of September, I can see that the quality is better, seems to improve after upload. Why that is happening, I have no idea. If there's a way to find out, or if there's any way to get better quality from the beginning on, that would be quite nice. I'm sure there is. I'm sure I have to pay for that. Someone has to pay for that. But yeah, I just wanted to make some more comments to what I said because I feel like within 7 minutes it's quite hard to cover all thoughts and important information I would like to provide within the short videos. So I think in the next ones I might make a split between making a video for Bitcoin and ETH only and then one for the alts, which I consider interesting at the moment. So one of the things I want to talk about quickly is when I said about buying Bitcoin in that range. So basically, some people are saying that Bitcoin, this is the bottom, 18 and a half. Other people say it goes down to, as I said, 16, 12, 10, 8. Everyone's calling out a lot of numbers. Which one is right in the end? No one knows. Personally, my belief personally is we go lower than that. So why should I buy any Bitcoin at this level? If I think it goes lower, simply because I don't know. So I think one of the most important things to understand in this business is to understand that you will never be able to get perfect entries. You can try. Most certainly you will not be able to get the perfect one. So if you think Bitcoin is in the future going to be a thing, meaning the price will go higher again, it might make sense for you to allocate 10%, 5% of your money in a position here around 18 and a half, maybe 19, like whatever, and hold this for long term. The idea is you buy more, so you buy around 10% here. So let's say you have 1,000 euros, you buy 100 euros here. If you think this is good as well, you buy another 300 euros here and then the rest down here. Now, how you want to allocate your money, let's say all into Bitcoin, you want to buy some Ethereum, like you make your own portfolio out of that, but the idea is not to catch the perfect bottom, but to have nice entries and a good dollar cost average over time. And if you allocate everything here, you still have a way better average than Michael Saylor at the moment. So that's good. And then I want to talk a little bit as well about the mistakes I made. So again, I described what happened. I was watching the setup literally like here in this time range on the 19th of September. I knew that when this is breaking out and retests the resistance we had and basically establishes that as support, it's a good sign. A high probability that it goes high. It was the 200 weekly, the 200 daily moving average was close enough, around 48, for me to make sense that it reaches that level. 20% move, and it just really worked out perfectly. So again, I did everything right. I waited for the retest. All I did wrong was checking my phone too much and panicking. I even had my stop losses set, so yeah, I did good. Proud of myself for that. I'm not proud for the fact that I screwed it up last minute, but I just really wanted to point that out that happens, and I hope I learn out of it. So again, I took a short position now here. Why? Because we just touched the 200 daily moving average. So we went up to 50 cent. I don't think 50 cents pretty random. I guess a lot of people placed selling orders here. I mean, we really had a huge green candle, which normally comes with like a little bounce back. Could be down to 43, could be down to 40. Could go higher if Bitcoin goes higher. I don't think so personally, but maybe it goes up to 51. For now, not. I mean, now we're going lower. I entered my short at 48 cents, 0.7, I think. So let's see how it plays out. I will keep my stop loss at 52 probably. because it still can maybe have another slight green candle. Actually also short on Chile, but that doesn't look great. Has a good position right now. I have no stop loss here yet. So this is really, so we have touched this level where it's right now 26.5. Which is resistance, really. Like this is the resistance. If that one closes here over, I would say in the 27 cent area, retests here, like same setup as for XRP, I would rather go long here and play it until 33 cents or 30 cents. That's a 10% move. So I have to watch that. I need to double check my account. It's actually going at this right moment very up. The volume is quite good here yesterday, where it went up. Today the volume's not so high. Like if I zoom in here, that's a low volume. Can I actually see how much that is? I don't know. I always just based on the visuals, but this is like a 25% out of the average volume of the last days. So I'm going to keep watching that. I'm not going to close the position yet, but definitely need to be careful here, not to get liquidated, because I think I ended at around 25 cents. Yeah, and that's just what I wanted to add on this. For Raven, we're sitting on the 200 weekly MA that might be acting as support, which it does since 3-4 days. When slightly below might be a deviation, might be long. Let's see. I will not play with that at the moment, but